how to sync contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your contacts on WhatsApp. So if your contacts aren't appearing in the WhatsApp, it's likely because the sync hasn't completed. But don't worry, the process is very simple. So you just need to follow these steps. So first, open the settings on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Accounts and Sync. Now, once you are in this section, simply scroll down and look for the WhatsApp in the list of the accounts. And once you've found that, simply tap on it. Now again, tap on the WhatsApp. And after that, you can see a contacts option. So once you see this option in the interface, simply tap on More at the bottom center of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Sync Now. And once you do this, your WhatsApp contacts will be synced and any missing ones should now appear. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.